Hello and welcome to fixsilver.com, your instant assistant. We want you to be autonomous in your online life. Whether it's online shopping, video conferences, administration, just ask us. We're here to help. And today I am so excited to discover with you Amazon. Most of you already know about it. However, this discovery will be from scratch. Let's go. I suggest you launch your web navigator. That could be Google Chrome or Safari or Edge, whichever you prefer. In our particular case, we'll launch Google Chrome. Here we go. In the search bar, type in Amazon. The first one that appears is the Amazon.com website. You can simply click on the link. Alternatively, in the research bar, you could directly type in Amazon.com. Amazon is an American multinational company that focuses, amongst others, on e-commerce. The company was founded in the 90s and started as an online marketplace for books, but expanded really quickly to software, electronics, video games, furniture, etc. The user experience is phenomenal and the practicality of it is huge. Let's do our first purchase together today. The first thing you're going to do when you connect to the Amazon.com website is select the region. Amazon has various sites which all function independently from one another. That's why it's best that you select the site that corresponds best to the region you live in. In our case, we'll use the UK. You could create your account in Amazon in the States or in Italy and have your products shipped to the UK, but it would make no sense. As you select the region, this will open a new page, and in our case, it's amazon.co.uk. It's a separate website, and the logins you're going to create will not work on amazon.com or amazon.it. Now let's discover how to connect for the first time. At the top right you will see Hello, Sign In Account. As you scroll over, a sub-menu appears from where you can either sign in or create an account as a new customer. Click on Start Here. And this takes you to a new page where you have to fill in your name, your email and enter a password. Re-enter the password and click on Create Your Amazon Account. This takes you to a new page where you have some sort of a puzzle to solve in order to prove that you are a real person. Fill in the letters and numbers you see and click on Continue. You will receive a one-time password immediately to your email address. Type in the code and click on Create Your Amazon Account. And now you are ready to shop. As you can see, Amazon is organized in categories. You get home and garden, books, gift ideas, bestsellers, Prime videos, etc. But to make our life easy for this very first purchase, let's make a general search. In the search menu, simply type the name of the film or the book you wish to buy and click on Search. A variety of associated products will appear. We will learn in future videos how to filter the searches better. For this first purchase, let's stick to Amazon's choice and click on the selected item. You will get all the information regarding the product, the cost, the date of delivery and whether it's free or not. If you're happy with that information, simply click on Add to Basket. Immediately your product is added to the basket. You can now edit your basket, proceed to checkout, or scroll through the different movies that people who just bought the same film as you tend to buy. But we will just continue shopping. In this second example, we are looking to buy a radio. And as you can notice, there are over 2,000 results for radio. We are going to have to apply some sort of filter, and that is what you find on the left-hand side column. You can filter the brand, the price, the provider, the delivery, etc. But in this particular case, we want the radio to work with Spotify. In the search menu, type in Spotify and click on Search. This will notably narrow down your search. You may have previously done a product search and know exactly what you're looking for. If that's not the case, Amazon offers numerous tools to find your dream product. We will explore those in a future tutorial. As for now, we will go for the Amazon bestseller. All you need to do is click on it. The product page is very detailed. You will get photos or videos of your product, color options, You can even have a closer look onto your product thanks to the zoom feature. Once your choice is made, click on Add to Basket. You may receive guarantee options which you may or may not accept. Amazon will suggest additional products to discover. Up to you whether you're interested or not. You could proceed to checkout, but we're just going to close this window so you can proceed and pay in the more classic way. On the right hand side you can see a summary of what's in the basket. Click on the basket and it will take you to your shopping basket page. Just make sure you have the right quantity of items and that you're not buying 3 or 4 by mistake. If the product's not the one you wish, you can always delete it. If you are happy with your selected products as well as the quantity of them, you can proceed to checkout. You will need to fill in your address. Alternatively, you can find an Amazon pickup location near you. Fill in this information as accurately as possible. That's name, phone number, address, postal code. If that's your main address, tick the Use as my default address and click on Add Address. Here you can quickly review your order. On the left hand side, check that your address is correct, that the products are correct, and on the right hand side you can choose your delivery options and press on Continue. You can finally select your payment method. We can enter how we'd like to pay, and in our case today we will add a credit card. We will enter the card number, the name on the card and the expiry date. And click on Add your card. Select the card you wish to use and click on Continue. If your billing address is different, then type in a new address. If not, simply click on Use this address. Amazon will offer you Prime privileges which you may or may not want to accept. Review one last time your order and click on Buy Now. Congratulations, you've done your very first Amazon order. You'll be getting shortly tracking and confirmation emails. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't hesitate to like. Fix Silver is your instant assistant and we're here to simplify your online life, so any questions, don't hesitate to contact us, to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. We're really here to help. Send us any of your questions, we'll make a video for you. See you soon. Bye.